So in my particular case, I've got the cut mode from origin point. If I was going to do this with the intention of doing a vinyl cut, I might decide I want to use WYSIWYG, or what I call WYSIWYG. It's WYSIWYG, actually not WYSIWYG. I invariably call it WYSIWYG, don't know why. But you would use the what you see is what you get type place, because that way everything is set up exactly where it should be. Now these little shapes here are put in by me after doing the trace. These are to guide you for your various layers. So you want to cut this, every time you cut a different colour, you still want to cut these bits out in whatever colour it is that you're cutting your vinyl. If you are going to do a multicolour vinyl cut, that is the whole idea. So in this particular case, if I go to cut by colour, you can see all these different colours. And if I want to cut a particular colour, I just switch the others off. So with the WYSIWYG or WYSIWYG switched on, it's going to leave them in place there. If I go to general and I put it to origin point, it's going to cut it down there. Now also, if you're going to cut by color and you want your registration points on, you're going to have to put this layer on as well. And then you just send it to the machine and off it goes, and it cuts the layers as you need it. That's how it works. If you do not have the Pro version, then what you can do is simply go into here and use your layers panel, and you can switch off or lock or hide your different layers. If you've got the Pro version, then you may not need to do that. So there we are. That is how you cut out a color tracing, whether you have the Pro version or the standard version of Shortcuts a Lot 5.